New tech gadgets are always exciting, especially if they solve a huge problem or if they're very new and cool to own. In this video, we will show you tech products that just might change your life. We will discuss inventions such as a big solar-powered light that can fit right inside your bag and a robot that will clean your house. Well, if this sounds exciting to you, you need to stick till the end to know more about a blender that looks completely different from everything you've seen before. Number 10. HP Sprocket Portable Instant Photo Printer. There's a special feeling associated with having a physical copy of a photograph, and that feeling is no longer a thing because taking a photo is something that we take for granted because of the fact that we have smartphones that can digitally store thousands of photos all at once. But if you still want physical copies, you can do it with the HP Sprocket Portable Instant Photo Printer. This printer connects to your phone via Bluetooth, and the printer prints credit card-sized photos on a sticky-back zero-ink paper. The printer is extremely lightweight, portable, and, like the name suggests, it fits right inside your pocket. So if you still belong to a generation where people have physical copies of their valuable memories, this is a device that you need to buy. Number 9. Sunset Projection Lamp. The sunset projection lamp is a Gen Z-approved trend that has become more mainstream ever since people on TikTok started sharing videos with the lamp in the background. The sunset projection lamp, depending upon the manufacturer, will offer different color tones, and you might also have the option to change to a completely different set of colors. The light is designed to create a beautiful and calm ambience. The company claims that this is a really well-built product, and it won't knock over when you try to adjust the lamp because crashing your lamp is never a good thing to improve your mood. Either way, this lamp adds a lot to the overall ambience of the room, and it can take your creative work to the next level. Number 8. 12 South Airfly Pro. Most of the smartphones that you can buy today come without a 3.5mm headphone jack, which means that you might already own several pairs of Bluetooth earphones. But let's say that you are traveling on an airplane, and they still tend to use those wired headphones and the quality is going to be terrible. In that case, you could still use your Apple AirPods with the new 12 South Airfly Pro device that will transmit the audio signal wirelessly to your AirPods. This product supports audio sharing not just with Apple devices, but it works in reverse, so you could turn any analog audio system into a Bluetooth-enabled device, like your old but really great stereo speakers. With a battery life of about 16 hours, you might need to consider this device, especially if you tend to own a lot of all the speakers, or you just want to use your AirPods inside the airplane. Number 7. Ring Stick-Up Cam. Not everybody might be a fan of indoor security cameras because of so many privacy concerns, but in case you want an indoor security camera, the Ring Stick-Up Cam is an excellent choice. Ring, for those of you who don't know, happens to be an Amazon-owned security powerhouse with the goal of redefining home security. You get full HD video with no wires for the battery version of the same camera. The camera is extremely customizable, along with an option of live streaming video with two-way talk functionality. Most importantly, it works perfectly with Amazon's Alexa, which should not be a surprise considering the fact that Ring happens to be an Amazon-owned company. Number 6. Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum. A robot vacuum cleaner from Xiaomi might change the game for you because the Mi Robot Vacuum is a mid-range robot vacuum cleaner that is really well built, with great battery life, and it can maneuver itself really well with LiDAR technology. The performance that this robot vacuum offers is unparalleled in the price segment that it sells for. It does a very decent job cleaning debris from low-pile carpets. It easily cleans pet hair and small debris like rice. It also performs well with bulkier material like cereal. But then the performance of the robot vacuum will begin to decrease once the dustbin fills up. The battery performance is excellent, something that just blew our mind. So it's high time for you to consider a robot vacuum cleaner. Number 5. Beast Blender Plus Hydration System. Let's face it, almost every blender out there looks very similar. But that is not the case with the Beast Blender, because this is the most beautiful blender that you can buy. Apart from looking great, it can also make delicious smoothies and infused water in no time. The beast will be able to whip up a smoothie in about 60 seconds flat. It can easily crush ice effortlessly. The Beast blender can adjust the speed depending on the consistency of the contents inside the blender. It is available in 3 color options: white, black, and gray, and they all look absolutely beautiful. So if you are in the market for a new blender, the Beast blender is a perfect choice. Number 4. Blink Outdoor Camera plus Floodlight Camera. We already covered an indoor camera, so it makes a lot of sense for us to cover an outdoor security camera as well, which is why we think the Blink Outdoor Camera is an excellent choice as a security camera because it's very easy to set up, and you can completely forget its existence. The Blink Outdoor Camera is a very affordable outdoor camera with clear video quality and local storage option. It is powered by AA batteries that can last up to 2 years. Yes, 2 years! You will also get accessories like a solar panel or the Blink floodlight that mounts close to the camera, and it is incredibly bright at about 700 lumens, making this an ideal choice for anyone looking to keep an eye on their gardens or outdoor surroundings. Number 3. Brazen Morph Alpha Foam Roller. Rollers come in different shapes and sizes, but they are mostly big and round, and they take up a lot of space, meaning it's really hard for you to carry it around, especially if you're somebody who is always on the move. Well, with the Brazen Morph Alpha Foam Roller, things are on a whole new level because the foam roller uses a collapsible core technology, making it extremely easy to go from a flat to full-size foam roller with the pull of just 2 tabs, one on each side. And it also easily collapses back to its flat form factor by firmly pushing the Brazen Morph. So if you are in the market for a roller, that too a very compact one, the Brazen Morph Alpha Roller makes a lot of sense. Number 2. Azio Vintage Backlit Mechanical Keyboard. If you're somebody who spends a lot of time on a computer, a keyboard is a very good investment, especially if it's a mechanical one. But almost all mechanical keyboards look somewhat similar with all those RGB lighting. Well, that is not the case with this vintage-looking mechanical keyboard from Azio. This is a very well-built, retro-looking keyboard with pale blue mechanical switches. You also get a braided cord if you opt for the wired version. Azio offers different variants, and they are similar in features but very different in appearance. The Azio Classic keyboard has no configuration software, and that has always been a drawback for this particular keyboard because configuration will allow for a more customized experience. These features are more about aesthetics, especially if you might want to try something different when it comes to choosing a mechanical keyboard. And if that is what you think you need to do, then you need to try this one out because it looks unlike anything else we've seen before. Number 1. Luminaid Solar Inflatable Lantern. If you're into traveling, you might have encountered a situation where your phone battery just died and you don't even have a flashlight with you. Well, the Luminaid Inflatable Lantern could be your best friend as it will help you navigate through some of the remotest parts of the world, especially on backpacking trips. This can be quickly charged via micro USB, but if you don't have that option, this is where things get exciting because of the built-in solar panel that can be used to charge this device. You also get USB charge output, which can be a lifesaver, especially if your smartphone runs out of battery. So, this device might also act as a power bank. If you think lights are bulky, well, Luminaid fixes that issue by making lanterns inflatable, which means it can be packed into a very small form factor. Technology is supposed to improve our lives, and it looks like it is clearly doing that, especially the gadgets that we mentioned in this video. If you already use any of these gadgets, or if you have any suggestions for an exciting gadget to buy in 2022, then make sure to leave a comment down below, and we might include your favorite gadget in your next video, because we will be covering more exciting tech products that you don't want to miss out on.